Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Karanice Fan Turbo Fan. Woo! 10,000 mAh. That means there is a built-in battery. That's awesome because then it's mobile and remote control. You have timer function, USB recharging, table fan for table and fans and desktops and living rooms and outside, no prop. But take care, it's not waterproof. It's a powerful but quiet ECO mode available. Increases the air conditioner's efficiency for speed levels are included. An innovative shape of natural air type is used, which changed the wind strength according to the temperature change. Turbofans can generate airflow, accelerate air circulation, and can be used with heater, air conditioning, and cooling fans to balance the room temperature, to provide us with the most comfortable temperature, but also to save energy and use resources in a greater extent. It's super quiet room fan compared to other fans. This fan is really quiet. That's fact. The noise level is only 25 decibel, so we will not be disturbed by too much noise when or while walking and when we are sleeping. Very comfortable and calm. 3 gears with a natural whine for all ages. The 3D desktop fan can be used horizontally by 180 degrees automatic movement and vertically by 90 up to 100% degrees manually moved in 90 degrees vertically. As the turbovan that can circulate air well and effectively regulate the room temperature, it is more effective than the conventional fans out there. The fan to compensate for the room temperature can meet the basic needs of the bedroom or living room too. And we have smart touchscreen as well as remote control option. All functions can be selected directly from the remote control or touchscreen. The distance from the remote control is maximum 5 meters. It is with a built-in 10,000 mAh high capacity battery. The usable time is approximately 4.5 hours up to 27 hours. The time is calculated according to our use, according to the wind speed, of course. And there are available timing timers: 0.5 hour, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour. Yeah, automatic shutdown mode. Oh, the Karanice table fan, suitable for home, office, bedroom, etc. Lightweight and ready to use. The protective cover can be removed for easy cleaning and maintenance. And of course, the sturdy guard can prevent fingers injuries. Improved design of the tubular fan housing for better circulation and more pleasant wind. The model is WT-F44. The materials are ABS and POM. The input is 5 voltage. The recharging current is 2 ampere. That's the standard way to use your smartphone AC adapter, for example. Otherwise, you can use a USB port on your computer or laptop or iPad as well. No problem. And of course, USB sockets. The motor speed is 1,100 rounds per minute up to 2,000. And it's quiet. It's really quiet. The working current is 0.35 ampere up to 1.6 ampere. The working wattage is 1.35 watt up to 6. That's not a lot. The weight is approximately 1 kilogram. The item size is 213 to 179 to 250 millimeters. The battery capacity is 10,000 mAh and 3.7 voltage. And that's really awesome. On the front, we have The front of the fan covers is detachable. We can rotate counterclockwise to remove it. When installing it, align the card position and rotate clockwise. Then we have the control panel and an infrared receiving hole on the front side. On the rear side, there is a Type-C docking. And of the remote control, we can use on-off button on the left upper side. On the right upper side is gyro button. The rotation button is on the left bottom side. And the timing button is on the right bottom side. Let's introduce the control panel. We have the control panel in the center is a screen. There we can see on the bottom side rotation indicator lamp on or off, then the timing indicator lamp, then the battery display, how much % your battery life is be, then the first year, second, 3, and natural wind indicator. That's awesome. Natural wind indicator, that's really awesome. Then we have buttons, 4 of them. On-off button, a gyro button, a rotation indication lamp button, a rotation button, and of course the timing button. And it's really easy. It's so easy. You can handle this. Short press the power button. It is the first wind speed. And the first wind speed indicates lights up. The remaining battery capacity will be displayed digitally at the same time. To turn it off, press again the power button. The fan stops working. Now, gear adjustment. The default is the first wind speed when turned on. Short press the wind button to switch the gears, and the corresponding gear indicates lights up. Easy, isn't it? Yes, it is. If we are going to like to have a rotation with it, left and right rotation. While the fan is on, press the rotation button to turn on the left and right operation. Press again to fix the rotation angle. If the fan stops working, the fan automatically returns to the starting position. Up and down, manual adjustment. The angle of the up by yourself. Use your hand for it. That's no prop. But for the side rotation, this is an engine or a motor. To make a shutdown, in the turn on state, short press the clock button to cycle to switch the timing shutdown gear from a half hour, 1, 2 or 3 hours, and then turn the device automatically off after that time. That's awesome. Then we have a battery display. When the fan is on charging, the battery display shows the current charge. Long press the power button to close the display screen, and the display is restored after pressing any other keys. When the fan is charged, the flash symbol is stroboscopic and always on when it is full charged. When the charge is less than 10%, the digital display battery capacity will stroboscopic. It's really to use your remote control. When using the remote control, please pay attention to the infrared receiving hole on the front side, okay? But that's enough. It's easy. We have to check the device voltage compatibility with the product before we use it, of course. We do not disassemble product or rough use. We do not put the product into near fire in order to avoid fire and explosion hazards. We keep the product out of reach of children and pets. And you have to use a Type-C cable and a 5-volt 2-ampere adapter. This is standard out there. Regularly clean the inside and the outside of the fan to prevent dust from accumulation. Before cleaning the van, of course, switch off. Do not put your fingers or hand or hard objects into the inlet outlet to avoid being damaged by internal fan blades and damaging the product too. We have to stop using the product if it is abnormal phenomenon happens as well. This is the awesome and really good air circulator fan by Karanice. It's a turbo fan, but a silent turbo fan. And you can use it indoor or outdoor because it's mobile, but it's not waterproof, okay? 10,000 mAh is big. That's really large capacity. And this will give us a long time of awesome cool downtime. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.